Techraidnace.
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 The future doesn't begin tomorrow, it begins today, inside our classrooms. At Techraidnace, we believe schools are more than places of learning. They are innovation ecosystems where ideas turn into reality. With over 10 years of experience, we partner with forward-thinking schools to build complete learning environments. From robotics and AI to EV, AR, VR, aerospace, skill, and design and technology labs, we ensure impact by training teachers, mentoring students, and embedding expert trainers with structured curriculum. Our students go on to represent their schools at national and international innovation platforms. Now, hear it from our partner schools.
I am Pooja Sharma from Riverdale World School. At our school, we strongly believe in skill-based education. With this vision, we partnered with Techraidnace to set up and run our design and technology lab. With a well-equipped lab, full-time trainers, and continuous support, our students are gaining real-world skills, confidence, and creativity. We highly recommend Techraidnace for skill-based education.
Hi there, this is Shailendra, Head IT at YPS Mohali. Techraidnace has been with us for the past 1 year. With a focus on skill-based education and emerging technologies, we have partnered with Techraidnace to run our AI, robotics, STEM and design curriculum. We narrowed down on Techraidnace after considerable research and after reviewing proposals from several firms. From lab setup to advanced machines to kits and components, curriculum delivery, full-time trainers, support and maintenance, they provide a complete package. They are proactive and honest in their approach. We personally found their trainers to be highly competent. This journey has just started and I have high expectations and look forward to a long, fruitful, sustained, progressive and dynamic partnership. We highly recommend Techraidnace for the services they provide in skill-based education and emerging technologies.
I am Mahen Misra, Head of Science Department from Genesis Global School. We strongly believe in skill-based education, and with this vision, we sincerely thank to Techraidnace team and highly recommend them for skill-based education.